create ink transition effect in Premiere Pro. I've got 2 videos on the timeline, and in order to add the transition, first we need the ink splash transition you can download from YouTube. Now you want to make sure that the videos that you have are overlapping like mine, and then you want to drag and drop the ink 1 track above the second video. Search for track Matt K and add it to the second video. Then open this That Controls panel, and under the track Map, preset Set Map to be the track where the ink is located. So I'm going to set it to video number 3. Then in composite using, let's select Matte Luma, and then check Reverse. And after that, we can preview the transition. Follow for more video tips.